Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it was for the Revlon Realistics Vivid in the shade Midnight Ink. And I feel like they had a color like this a long time ago in their buttercream, and it was, I don't know what happened, but like I never ever got a chance to actually use it because every time I tried to find their blue black in their Vivid collection years ago, you couldn't find it. I could see it in the store, but all they had were like different colors. And I know they had a blue black, but it was just very, very hard to find. And when this was recommended, I was like super excited because I was like, maybe it's reformulated. I don't know. But then you never saw the other one on the shelf again. Like it was gone just as fast as it hit the shelf. So I don't know what happened. So anyways, this is not meant for gray coverage at all. It is formulated for dark hair and it is permanent, but I definitely feel like it's not meant for, it doesn't even say it on the box that it's meant for grays or whites or anything, but it's I can already tell on my whites that it's gonna wash out, and I just don't know how long it's gonna last. So I was asked before, like a couple days ago, if any blue black gives you hot roots, and my answer was no. Well, now open mouth, insert foot, because this is the first time that this has happened. My roots are this color, blue, that you see on my scalp. You see that? That's what all my roots are like. And my whites are the same. And I just feel like I can still see my whites through this blue. So I really feel like it's not gonna last. I mean, this blue that's on my roots is throughout the whole entire hair, and it's gorgeous. It really picks up this blue, and it's really dark. But my roots took to it a little bit more blue than I actually expected. You can't tell unless you're like up close like this, and you can really see the blue on all my new growth. So it's very, very vivid on the new growth and all my whites. It is very beautiful. You could definitely see the blue. I've seen the blue in this lighting. It's very gray outside, so I can't really see what it looks like in natural lighting. But I can see this navy blue throughout my whole entire head, and it is gorgeous. I can see it when I move my hair in this light and when I was like blow drying it and stuff. So surprisingly, this was pretty gentle. I did have a couple itchy spots, but that was like when I was coloring it. So I had gloves on, I was able to itch it, and then it was done. I didn't have any other itchiness with this at all. And the one thing I do have to say is it stains everything. My hands are still kind of blue from washing it out. I literally, like, it took a lot of washes just to like get it off. My nails are kind of tinted blue, as you can tell, which is fine because like they're like a goldish color, but a goldish white, and you can see some of the blue tint on it. But everything stains, your countertop, your tub, so just be careful. But I have nothing bad to say about this, like, except the fact that it does give you hot roots, and you really got to be careful with that. So I don't know if you want to like do a black first, and then when, like, literally just do your roots black, and then go in with this on top of it while it's processing. That way it's more, you don't get the hot roots, if you catch my drift. So that's what I would have done. If I would have known that it would have been hot roots, I would have went in with a black first, done my whole entire head, or not my whole entire head, my whole entire like roots, all my new growth and stuff. And then I would have put this on top of that so that it's already black and it's processing. And then, well, it's processing, I would have put this on top of it so that it could kind of get mixed in to what's already being processed. But I would use Revlon, obviously, so that you're not mixing color with color. You're mixing it with the same brand, which is okay. You're not mixing a different brand. But it is super, super dark. My hair feels amazing. It didn't really, it smells like hair color. My hair still smells like hair color, but it's not overwhelming. It is a thick color consistency. So I did have to actually use 2 boxes. I bought this on Amazon and it does come in a twin pack. It was kind of confusing because it said 1 count, but 2 in the box, which made that kind of confusing because it just says 1 count, but it's technically 2. And it does kind of tell you that. So I bought this for like $17 on Amazon, and it came in a twin pack, and it's very thick. So I did have a good chunk left over, which I just put all over my hair and made sure that everything was just nicely saturated. But I would definitely recommend, if you have really thick or long hair, just make sure that you get like maybe 3 boxes. They do give you those options. It goes from 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, and so on. So you can do that. So I would just definitely recommend getting an extra box. So yeah, I think that's everything I have to say about this. Like, it just there's nothing really else to say. It definitely covered really well. I don't think it's gonna hold up on my roots at all because it's very, very blue, that I just don't think my whites are going to last at all, but we will see. And I will definitely update you guys on my Instagram, and I will do a updated video on that. So stay tuned. It's Nina_Gilhousen if you aren't following me on Instagram already. So I do all the updates, all the nitty gritty, like if the hair color bleeds, if it washes out, I don't hold back. I'm not gonna do that because honestly, that's all information that is worth knowing, especially if you want to try hair color. You want it to last. You don't want it to like wash out. And yeah, so yeah, that's all I really gotta say about this hair color. Like, it just, we'll see, because I've always wanted to try this, but like I said, it hit the shelf, and back in like 2017, 2018, and as soon as it hit the shelf, it was really hard to find, and I've searched multiple stores and I could never find blue black, but I felt like every time I've seen it, it was gone and not on the shelves very long. It like didn't last at all. So I don't know if they just discontinued it like right away and they were just selling whatever was left, but I'm glad it came back, and the color is so beautiful. It is so dark. It is so blue. I just wish that the roots didn't give me hot roots, but you know, it is what it is. And like I said, if I would have known that before, I would have definitely went in with black first and then mixed it with this on top of it so that I could definitely like have it blended in. But you cannot tell unless like I'm really up close, but you can see that my whole entire scalp is completely blue and all my roots took to it. So it's all like super navy blue, but it's gorgeous. And yeah, I have no complaints other than that. So I will see you next time, guys.